What's going on, guys? Penguin here. Today we're going to be continuing Raze campaign walkthrough. Now we're up to level 3. So yeah, let's just get started. So I don't really care about the start rocket launcher. There we go. We've won. What the hell, buildings? Okay. Nice. But Raze is an awesome game. Underground civilization. Well, that worked. We don't want to be spotted. Yet we have a rocket launcher. Okay, I'm just gonna grab all the guns so that I never run out of ammo. Ow. Oh, two. Whoops. And then I'm guessing all these enemies come out of everywhere. Oh. Oh. Oh God. What? Ah! These guys are powerful. Okay, I'm out now, but never fear. Oh, never fear, lag is here. Oh my God, so much. I should probably stop moving so quickly, but okay. Have we got them? No, we haven't. They're all up there. Yeah, that's better. Okay, I've got one rocket left. I'll just wait around here. And then yoink. This is so easy. Hey mate. Go priest. Whoa! I have a feeling that was meant to happen. Yeah. Good. Earthquake. Sounds a little weird without the music, but I have a feeling we'll survive. Whoa! Suicide? What? I shot him. Fine then. I suicided, apparently. Let's go. Can you not chase me, please? I'm trying to escape, obviously. Okay, I've got a 50 cal. Oh, yeah. Okay, chase me. Go on. You know you want him. You know you want to get shot. Oh! Yep. Yeah, didn't want to waste. Okay. So laggy. Look at this. That's better. What? No. That's broken. How did one rocket kill me as well? Amazing. I thought it said amazing, and I was like, what? Okay, let's find him. Oh! 50 cal. Holy. What is that he's holding? Did not see that, did you, mate? Love rocket launchers. 50 cal is also a nice snipe. Trick is to get one snipe in, and then, yeah. Okay, I took a hit. Where'd that Amzing go? What? He suicided? No. That's so dog. I obviously killed him. Okay. This is a really hard mission. I don't know if I'll be able to... Double damage! Get wrecked! Okay, I didn't betray him. I promise. Kind of. Okay, who cares if I betrayed him? Honestly, it was worth it. It was like... wreckage. What shield? That's what I like to hear. Pro dodging. Okay, I've got one. Yeah! That one was the best. Okay, well, that seemed to be quite a successful victory. Huh. Rocket launchers are literally the best things on Earth. But 50 cal, they're not too bad either. Let's go. We fall down a hole, by the looks of it. Let's find a 50 cal. Okay, so they're all up there. Okay. Yeah, it's ours now. Ow, I will say. Okay. 50 cal. Yeah. Get wrecked is all I can say. Just stick my gun in his head. No. That's better. What's duck? What's crouch? Okay, so that's switch. F? No. E? I don't know. Well, I don't know. I guess I'll find out sometime. He's starting to understand something. That's a first. Ah. Okay, if anyone comes up here, they go shotgunned. Rule number 1. Nope. Yeah, you got him. Let's go. How do you crouch? Feel intimidated when they crouch. Good. Did he just... Wait, was that him actually hitting me or no? Oh. How did Priest not die? And 2, why did he just crouch in front of the rocket launcher? No, dog. I think I might have got that actually, but still. No. Swear that went through his head. There we go. Okay, got my rocket launcher. Got some more rockets for my rocket launcher. I stole the kill all the way. Let's go. 50 cal. No, I just need the hit. Okay, that's fine. We got this guy. It was worth it! Wow. Literally running gun. Ultimate power. Okay, let's go. Too skilled for you. Wow. That was really good, actually. Amzing. No, it's an Asming. Okay. Those names are really weird. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the sequel to our first episode, and there will be more. So, like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you guys later. Bye.